Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do up close and personal with this lipstick red 19B walk, which is very pretty. It is like a bright red. So by the way, I'm using this 19K brooch which I got together with this beautiful walk. What we're gonna do today is we'll do a run through on the details of this beautiful lipstick red walk, and then we'll do what fits, and then we'll take a look of the magnetic lock closure that Chanel has updated, and then we'll do a mud shot at the end. So let's take a quick look now on the details of this beautiful caviar lipstick red walk. And this is what it looks like up close. And this is really made well, in my opinion, that the quilting is uniform and puffy, and it has a slip pocket here at the back where you can put your cards, and then inside has this beautiful magnetic lock, and it says Chanel here. And then also the inside is the same as the previous walk, and I put a walk saver inside, base shaper, and this is what it looks like inside. And it has like a leather slip pocket here, so this is in leather, and it has 6 card slots here, which is in fabric lining, and another like zipper compartment here, and a slip pocket here. And the zipper looks like this, like it is now flat, because before it's in black and it has a little protrusion here. Now they made it flat, and it has CC logo here, as well as the zipper here on top. It also has a CC logo here at the end, and it is now flat. And let's open this, and inside it goes all the way down here. And before, with the previous walk, if you will close this flap like this, you will see that this one will leave a mark here because of the protrusion on this part. But now that since it is flat, I believe it will also maybe like leave a dent here, but not so much compared with the previous zipper pull that they have. And this magnetic lock closure really like makes a difference when opening and closing your, especially in closing the purse itself, because for example, if you close it like that, it's just easy to lock it, and it will like easily lock your purse. Before, when you close it, you have to like for example, you're wearing it crossbody like this, and you will open your walk like this and grab your wallet, and then when you close it, you have to center it in the lock before you can really close it. But now since it's magnet, it's just easy. You don't have to like really look, because I used to tilt my walk. I used to own a black caviar walk, and I tilt it like this before closing it so I can see that it aligns well like that. But now that it has a magnetic closure, you don't have to tilt your bag so you can close it. All you need to do is just align this magnet, and it will close easily like this. This really made a difference, though I'm not sure if they will do this permanently, because I asked my SA about it if they will do this permanently, and she said it depends on the season. So I don't know if she's just not sure or what, but I don't see any sense of putting the previous zipper and the closure, as it's not really that functional for a walk. And this is just, this new updated lock is just perfect for the walk that has improved on the way you maintain your wallet on chains and on the way you use it by this lock. So I hope they will maintain this closure and not just for this season. So this is what it looks like, and let's put some things inside. And by the way, this is in champagne gold hardware, which is so pretty. And this is what it looks like. Let's also try to measure this for those who are eyeing on the WOC. So this is 7.5 for the length, and for the height it is 5 inches, 2 inches for the width, 24 inches for the strap drop. So now let's put things inside, and I would prefer having a WOC Saver base shaper inside. So it looks like this, and then you just put it inside so you will maximize the space. This is what it looks like inside. And the base shaper is just so thin that it doesn't really get a lot of space inside the purse. So I have here a mini O case that we're gonna place inside. And inside the mini O case, I have 2 lipstick and mints. Let's just put it here. It takes all the room except for a little space here. So let's try putting this hand sanitizer inside here. So, and that's it. A hand sanitizer and a mini O case, and let's close it. There. So this is what it looks like at the side. And let's try other SLGs with it. So if I'll put this card holder inside and another card holder, and then there's still space in here, and let's try putting 2 lipsticks. So 2 lipsticks and 2 card holder, and let's close it. This is what it looks like on sides. And let's say we're gonna put a Ray-Ban sunglasses here, since realistically this is what I going to bring, this card holder. And then I'm gonna put a hand sanitizer and a lipstick. And then let's say I'm gonna put my cell phone here at the back. So a cell phone, a card holder, a lipstick, a hand sanitizer, and let's say we're gonna put this Ray-Ban, slim Ray-Ban sunglasses on top. And let's close it. So this is packed. So if it's me, I'm gonna bring my sunglasses, and then my Chanel card holder, a cell phone, and this lipstick and hand sanitizer. I don't usually use this part, the zipper part, and then this. I don't usually use those, since I am bringing my, maybe for the receipts, if I have any. So this is what it looks like. The quilting is really so pretty, and the color is just special in my opinion, that this bright red is just perfect for winter. What's nice about the Chanel wallet on chain is I think this is the best way to showcase your outfit in my opinion, because that chain is long and then the purse is small and slim, that when you wear it on your body, you can see the silhouette of your outfit. And it's nice also that you can wear this dressier by just tucking this in to make the handle short, and you can just wear it here at the side of your arm, and it can be worn dressier on occasions. And because this is also a gold hardware, that it just makes it classy and dressy. I sprayed Colnil Carbon Pro on my Chanel purses and my Vaqueta Louis Vuitton purses, and it really helps with color transfers and water stains, and I've been using that for years. It really helps. Please stay tuned for the mud shots because I'm gonna try this on. I'm 5'4", and you'll be able to see where it will fall on me. And thank you again, guys, for watching, and please do like this video if you find it useful and if you like it, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe as well. And for those returning subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I appreciated all of you, and may all of you have a good day.